Welcome back to learning Muay Thai with Kru Hemanth Kumar, a 3-time World Championship bronze winner, with over 30 years of training experience. Since we're continuing with pad work training, it might be a good idea to check that you've watched all the previous videos on pad work before you start this one.
Hi, welcome back all of you. I'm Kru Hemanth Kumar from Masters Muay Thai Academy, and today I have along with me Ganesh and my student Malik, and we are here to teach you 3 more different combinations. Let's see how we can go ahead with that. So these are the focus bits that you wear for your boxing training. Right, Malik, are you ready? Ready. The first technique we'll show it in a very slow way so you can catch up with the technique. Uppercut. 1. Okay. Like I mentioned earlier, the pad holder controls the striker. Good. 1 up. Good. 1 up. Uppercut. Uppercut to the jawline or the chin. 1 up. Okay, I want you to freeze in the uppercut. 1 up. Good. Please mind, uppercut, as I mentioned earlier, your bicep and lateral muscle will be engaged in the uppercut, and the elbow should not go farther from the body. Then the arm becomes isolated, which means the weight that packs with this punch will get reduced. So keep the elbow closer to the body and you move your body while you deliver the punch. And not to forget, other hand on guard. And not to forget the leg, the pivoting point. That gives you the leverage for completing this punch. Ready, Malik? Let's go again. Uppercut. 1. Easy. 1. Okay, the second part of this technique. After you do the uppercut, you do a slide 45. That moves or gives leverage for the cross uppercut now. The cross uppercut. You shift the body into 45 for delivering the cross uppercut. Good. Let's now see 2 movements now. Uppercut and the cross uppercut. Let's go. Boom, boom. Very good. Let's go. Easy, easy. Need to be visible, right? Let's go. 1. Wonderful. 1. What? 1, 2. Good. Now, the next part of the technique. Clinch or cross clinch. Ready, Malik? Let's go. That's the next part of the clinch. Right? You need to wait. Let's go. 1. Up. 8. That's the third part of the technique. Okay? Ready, Malik? Now, after the clinch, you go for a cross knee. That completes the technique. Ready, Malik? Let's go. 1. Up, away. Right. Up. 1. Away. Timing. No rushing. Timing. Wait for the signal. Ready. 1. Up. 1. Up. 2. Up. Hey, that's good. Now coming into control now. 1. Up. Again. Let's go. 1. Up. Hey, very good. Let's go. 1. Up. Hey. Good. I hope these movements helped you see and learn how to perform this technique. Now I'll bring in Ganesh to see the technique in a little more powerful way. Ready, Ganesh? Please position yourself here. Ready, Malik? Ready. Go with my count first. Break the technique again. When I say flow, you go with the flow. Ready? Ease up. Easy. Breathe. 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 Ready, Ganesh. 1. Easy, easy, easy. I want to still more easy and smoother. 1. Okay. When I say easy, ready, Ganesh. Up. 1. Okay. 1. Okay. 1. Okay. 1 and 2 now. 1 and then away. Let's go. Up. Right. Let's go. This is the position, Ganesh. Ready, Malik? Ready. 1. Up. 2. Up. Good. Now you see you're breathing good. You're smoother now. Ready. 3. Up. And 4. Need to wait. No rush. If you're impatient while learning, you'll miss out on the basics. If your basics are strong, which means your foundation is strong, you can be a good fighter in this skill. If you're very impulsive and impatient, boom, you go at the wrong time, which means you may end up being in trouble. Understand? Let's go. 1, up, easy. 1 and 2, up, clinch. And 3, bong. Okay, let's now go for the floor. Easy. I want it nice and smooth. Ready? 1, bang, bang, oi. Okay. Now we are playing Muay Thai. So like now how Malik was getting closer, this is a bonus tip for you. Okay. 2. You can see he's coming too close, which means the opponent can go bang. Use the elbow because he's falling into the elbow range. So if you have to be safe while you're attacking, right? Let's go. 1 and then 2. Now this is the range. Now I have enough distance, which means my eyes can see in case the opponent releases a counter. Right? That gives me time. Ready? You learned it? 1. Up. Up. Good. Ease up. Ease up. 1. Up. Hey, good. 1. Up. Wonderful. That is good. That completes this particular technique. Now you would have seen the fancy angle kick going bang, 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 bang multiple times, fast as possible, strong as possible, an infinite angle kick movement. Let's see some of them. Ready, Ganesh? Ready, Malik? Take a deep breath out. All right, change the position. Yes. Only one side you hold first, only one side. When I say change side, then you go for change side. Am I clear, Malik? Take a deep breath out. Stay on the ball of the foot. Yamyo, yamyo. Ready. Guarding hand, kicking hand. Don't forget. You ready? We go for 10 non-stop angle kicks. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now, you would not be getting so close. Why? Because you take away your own distance, which means you don't have leverage. You need to maintain the kicking range. You fell into the boxing range, it will make you slow kicker. Not good. Ready? Let's go again. Maintain your range. You have the tall man, yeah? You have a good range. Use them. Learn to use them. Ready? It depends on your height, how tall you are. That much of reach you can have. That is the advantage for you. Ready? Let's go. 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. That was better. That was better. Good, good. You're not going off balance. Very good. Let's go one more round on the other side now. Ready, Ganesh? Ready, Malik? Ready? Ready? Let's go. 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Wonderful. Well, Ganesh is also a good kicker. Let me take a few kicks from Ganesh as well. Put the pads on Ganesh. All right? Let's go. Ready? Up, 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 up. Wonderful. Good. Thank you. Thank you. So that is about the powerful angle kicks. Great. I hope you now learned 2 different techniques, and let's now come to the last technique of the episode. Right? Let's see how to move with that. Malik, you ready? Good. Take a deep breath out. Good. Let's see a low kick now. 1. Very good. Beautiful, Malik. 2. Very good. 3. The low kick hits the mid of the thigh. It doesn't go on the pelvic girdle. It goes on the mid of the thigh. This is the pressure point. If you strike anybody at this pressure point 1 time, 2 time, 3rd time, they go down. They go down. Simple. It's a pressure point, it's a channel. A pressure point channel that can be hit through your low kick. Ready, Malik? Let's go. 1. Wonderful. Hook. 2. That's the second part of the technique. 2. Easy. Easy. Never take your eyes away. You're hooking, your body is turning 45, but your torso in the front. You cannot take your eyes away of the opponent. Ready? 1. 2. Up. Good, very good. 3. Cross uppercut now. Wonderful. Easy, easy. Let's go. 1, bang. 2, bang. Wonderful. 3, up. Oi. Let's go now. 1, there we go. 2, bam, bam. Beautiful. Let's go. Up. Yep. Yep. Oi. Let's go. Up. 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 Oi. Always punch from the guard. Go back to the guard. Never go off guard. That is where you give an opportunity for your opponent to sneak in. Get it. Ready. 1. Up. 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 Oi. Ready. 1. Up. Up. Oi. Wonderful. Let's now see with little more intensity from Ganesh and Malik. Ready, Ganesh? Malik? Sorry. Take a deep breath out. Now we show in one floor. Ready? One floor. 1. Pump. 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 Easy. Like I mentioned earlier, maintain the kicking range, maintain your boxing range. You have 2 ranges now in this technique. Your kicking range and the boxing range. So maintain them respectively. 1. Hup. 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 Wonderful. 2. Hup. 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 Very good. If you get closer with a punch, what comes in? Elbows come in. And when elbows come in, ready. Let's go. 1. Up. Up. Oi. 2. Up. Up. Oi. Okay. Okay. Let's go again. 2. Bang. 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 Very good. 3. Up. Up. Oi. Good. So that is the third technique, and we come to the end of the episode. I hope you like this video. Please do like and share these videos, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next session. Thank you.